Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll do an R session now on. So I'll try and review linear models in some way, and then sort of point out some pitfalls, what we've done so far, and then some graphics utility I'll try and do first. So this is from this book. The first thing we'll begin is from this book of the statistical learning book that we've been using off and on, ISLR. So I'll use the ISLR library, even though I don't think that's necessary, because this data set advertising.csv is available at this website. That is website given by this download from here. So and I have saved in my directory. So let me go set the session as the set working directory to where I am. That's where I am, and then I'll load the advertising data set. So let me load it. So one way to do it is you can just check the head of advertising. And it will give you the various labels as variables: TV, radio, newspaper, and sales. This data set is explained a bit more detailed in the in the book as well. This book is called Introduction to Statistical Learning. But let's try and do some couple of graphics that are there. So I'll use Nitar. I don't need Nitar. If you have Nitar, you can install it. I don't think I need Nitar for this. You can use Cable Extra. The cable allows you to sort of, if you look on the right-hand side of the screen, it shows the data set in a nice way. It shows variables: TV, radio, newspaper, sales, and these are the numbers that are there. So it includes sales for a particular product, I think. I think this is like in thousands of units. And this looks like amount of TV and radio and newspaper budgets they have for advertisements. I think they're all in dollars and thousands of dollars. So now I want to do a regression of sales with regard to how much you want to spend in TV, how much you want to spend in radio, and how much you want to spend in newspaper. That's what I want to do. So what I'll do is I just so this I took from a website called RPubs. I will put the link on the website as well, the course website as well. Maybe I should, okay, yeah. So maybe in the code itself, I'll just mention it here that this is where it's from. This the bill code is from, of course, not important for the recording right now, but later on, if you want to look at code, that website has many more examples than what I have right now. So once you do this, then first thing you do is you set the variables. So X is the variable radio, Y is the variable TV. I don't do newspaper. Let's say I do just two-way because I want to plot and show you what's going on. And let's say Z is just the advertising in sales. Right? That's the three columns that I have. Okay. Then what I do is I do a fit of a linear model of Z with X plus Y, X and Y. Right? Do a fit. So let's just check what fit it looks like. Let's come back and let's just go below and type fit. So it should give you the parameter. Right? The intercept is so much, the beta 1 is so much, and the beta 2 is so. That's what it tells you, right? That's what it tells you. So that's the model I'm doing right here. Then once I come here, then I want to plot this as this. If I want to plot, what will this equation be? They should give you Y is equal to beta naught, right? Beta naught, or let's say B0 plus B1x plus B1y, right? That's what I'm plotting. So it'll be three-dimensional surface, right? B1x, x2, x1, let's say. B1, B2, x2, and x1. So it'll be a three-dimensional surface, and I want to plot the residues, everything with it, right? Let's just try and do that. So first thing I do, I create grid length. This you can change anything you want. And I just do this minimum of x and maximum of x as the upper and lower values of x, and y spread is the same thing, the minimum maximum. Once I'm here, I do xy, which is just an expanded grid on both sides, and a z grid also I put. I use the predict function that I discussed last time of the fit, and then do this. So that's why I put the z prediction. So once I do this, I create all the fitted points for drop lines to surface. So that is the fit points to predict fit. I do that. Then I have to use a package called plot3d. If you have not installed it, you should install it. And then It's a simple function. Scatter 3D. That's simple. Scatter 3D is like same like scatter plot, but it's 3D. So this is just all. It's going to plot X, Y, and Z. This PCH90 and CX1 is the size of the balls. This color is red. And then theta is the viewing angle of the 3D plot. You can change the angle and check what's going on as well. And so the label for the X is radio. We know that. Y label is TV. That's how we picked it up. Right? X and Y are TV and radio. The Z label is sales. And you want to plot a surface where you start from X pred, Y dot pred to Z dot pred. And then the fest is equal to true. And this is all just, you can check these options in the scatter. Let's try and do that. Let's see what it looks like. So instead of a line, you'll have a surface, right? That's quite nice, right? You can do this. And you can see on the side, you can even have this, and you can rotate it as well if you downward it. It's quite nice. So it gives you all the residues as well to the fit. Reds are the two data points, and the surface is given by this plane. So I thought you might like to see this a 3D plot of regression. You can use this. And let's say let's say theta to something else. Let's go here. Let's just do a simple exercise here. Let's suppose we change the viewpoint. Let's say change theta and phi. Let's say theta and phi. Let's do some gymnastics here. Let's see what do we like. We want to say go and look at the same scatter plot. The theta and phi. Let's say theta is let's go 0 and minus 60. So you want to see the top part, let's say 0 and minus 60. Off on the slice, let's just go to slice. 60, and then let's do this. Then what do you get? That'll be this side. So that you can change the angle and play with it and check whatever you want to check as well. It's quite nice to do. So scatter 3D is a very useful sort of a function for this. Very cool. So this is a picture in the book, and that picture in the book is replicated for you. Look at this thing. Yes. You can do the same thing with the other data sets. They have the income data sets and others. You can do the same thing. So I'll leave the exercise to the rest. So you can do the same above exercise. Sorry, come down here. The above can be done for the income data set they have in the book. Fairness. So it's a simple sort of a 10-minute thing to try. You can do it slowly, and then you can get the way you want. Very cool.